Um, Hello everyone, in this video we're doing 8.2.8 manage users and groups. Here's the scenario and here are the tasks. Attempt number 2, I did it a few minutes ago. Took me 2 minutes, 1 second. Wasn't too bad. Um, I did a recording yesterday on my first attempt and I missed one simple thing and I was like, no, but here we are. Okay, so Sylvia needs to do that, Scott needs to do this, Jen needs to do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to right click the start button, go to computer management, click on that. You're going to click on this arrow for local users and groups. So click on it. Right click on users, left click new user. We're going to fill this out. Username, Sylvia. Password, you can copy, highlight it, and we'll just copy it. And then click password, Control V, or actually you cannot right click paste. So yeah, Control V. Um, so we assigned an initial password of 0clever1, 0 is a 0. Force the user to change the password next logon, okay, and add to applicable group. Cool. So create, done. Next, we have Scott. You could just Control V. User must change logon at next. Um, must change password at next logon. Create. Next, we have Jed. So Jed. Control V, and again with the, you know, he must change the password at his next logon. Create. Perfect. Then we're going to go to users, we're going to go to groups, left click groups. So Sylvia needs to be able to perform all actions on the computer. To me, that would be administrator. So right click, then click add to group, click add, and then you're going to type in the name Sylvia. Oop, Sylvia, right? Sylvia, yeah. Okay, apply, perfect. Next, we have Scott, who needs to be able to back up and restore files, but should not have any other rights. So to me, that would mean that he would be a backup operator. Add to group, type add, then type in Scott. Okay, apply, okay. Jed, we do not have to put in a group, but if you read, they need normal access to start the computer, run applications, and save files. So that to me would be a user. You would right click users, add to group. Jed's already there. Okay, perfect. Let's score the lab. I hope this was helpful to everyone watching. Have a great rest of your day. Here's the explanation again, and here's the in-depth step-by-step of how to do things. I don't see anything different compared to what I did. But yeah, have a great one. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Bye-bye now.